Hi, M5809. Please introduce yourself.
Hello. I'm Lotus Lagardo. I'm 41 years old. I'm a single. I live in Santa Rosa, Laguna, Philippines.
Okay. Your religion
I'm Catholic.
and your highest educational
I'm
attainment.
high school graduate.
Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper here in the Philippines, tell me about your experience as a helper.
I'm experienced in the Philippines. I'm taking of elderly, 67 years old, and his son is 9 years old.
Okay. And other household chores that you do?
I will do cooking, uh, washing the dishes, washing clothes, and sometimes I clean this car, 2 cars.
Okay, 2 cars. Okay. But you don't have any experience being a helper in some other country?
No.
You have an experience in Taiwan, right?
Yeah, I have experience Taiwan, but factory workers.
You are factory worker,
Yes,
so not
electronics.
related. Okay. Since I saw that you have experience being a helper in the Philippines, but you don't have any experience taking care of a newborn, my question is, it is okay to you to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, sir. I'm okay. I'm willing to learn.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare a milk for a newborn?
Yes.
Okay, you have an idea, but you don't have any experience
Yes, sir. I don't know.
taking care of a baby.
Yes.
Even though baby of your brother or sister.
Yeah, I have experience, but only my brother and sister.
Okay, so the baby of your brother and sisters, you have an idea how to prepare a milk for them.
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
If the baby is crying, I will check the temperature and check the tummy and his diaper is full.
Okay, and if the baby doesn't stop to cry after everything that you've done to the baby to make it stop, does
I
it
will call
work?
my employer and ask what should I do.
Okay, you will ask the employer what you
Yes,
should do.
sir.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because the high salary and to help my father also because my mother is already died and my sister also is already have a family. That's why I'm only one. And
Okay, you are the one who
Yeah.
took care of your father.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want 2 years contract, but if my employer is want me to more, so
Okay, so it is okay to you to extend.
yeah, it's okay to extend.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
No, but I'm willing to learn.
And how will you learn to cook?
I see the YouTube.
YouTube?
Yes,
Okay. And you could also buy some recipe books so that you could learn, right?
yes.
And also, if you have a time and your employers have a time to prepare foods for themselves, you could also help them. How do they prepare, right?
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to eat the food that the employer provides.
Yes.
Even though you don't know what kind of foods they were preparing, it is okay with you?
Yes.
Okay. It is okay to you to share job with a helper.
Yes.
How about sharing room with kids?
Yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of pets.
Yes.
How about taking care of elderly?
Yes. Sir.
It is okay to you to learn Cantonese if one of your employer's family don't know how to speak English.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
For my future employer, I hope you choose me. I'm trustworthy and I promise I'll do my best. And I hope to see you soon if you choose me. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss Lotis.
Thank you.